Hi, welcome to our channel. So this is a clear information about the how to post content on Facebook page and Instagram. Very clear here. Any content posting purpose they can using for two platforms. One is called Facebook Creator Studio. Second will be Facebook Business Shoot option. Coming to the point, selecting one website will be called season.swimmingpool.com. This website will be swimming pool in nearby Kondapur location, Gachibowli and Officepet and Miyapur and Chandanagar. Some areas will be near to the swimming pool here. In this website purpose, first you can prepare will be one social media content. Right now is a complete winter section that we can using for temperature control indoor swimming pool in Kondapur, Hyderabad. This is the purpose. First, you can select your Facebook account and Instagram account. They will be linked with the option name is called Facebook Creator Studio. One more option name is called Facebook Business Shoot. Sir, which is very comfortable zone? First of all, question. Sir, which is the comfortable zone? This will be posting purpose. Facebook Business Shoot. Select this your create post option. There's a very easy to post option will be here. First of all, select your Facebook, Instagram. Sometimes, what are the posts you not done properly in this Facebook, Instagram account? The perfect done by option name is called Facebook Business Shoot. Automatic image will be taken by the Facebook, but when you're selecting Instagram time, you can upload by the your picture is compulsory important. Does the image or video? Image accepted by the 10 photos. So, how many? 10 photos. First of all, select Canva. What are the image you design? Everything will be properly designed is compulsory important. So, what are the design? I can go with the design option will be here. So, already I'm selecting for existing design. This design I can creating as a new design option. Why? Because here is the selecting will be complete done. Select it. Here, what are the images we have? Paste it. Video is in. We can scrolling your image. Done. Not this will be not visible purpose. What will do this? I can change content will be like this. Logo will be here. Content will be here. Visibility purpose we can here. So this content will be sharing location will be Gachibowli. Image will design. In this Canva will supporting for images and videos. Both we can very comfortable option. Click here. Select this option. JP select. Click for download. Don't use any website link onto the particular image option that will be affected by your Google Map. So one image you can sharing for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google Map also. Just one image you design, you can share by all social network platforms. In the selecting will be, I'm selecting will be maybe create a studio, select simple option, select your page, and what are the content you have. Select the content will be here. So content will be selected, paste it. This location will be targeted by the Gachibowli. Copy it. Select image. Downloads. Image was selected. Click it and click for publish. Your post will be done at a time Facebook and Instagram also. Coming to the Facebook business shoot, upload image. This is very easy. First upload image properly. We can check this feature. Every preview also you can check. Preview also will be applicable in this Facebook business shoot option. How to preview. But create a studio time. What will happen? Any preview we can visible only here. When you click here, they not emboss. Advanced setting, there is write test will be here, accessibility purpose. If you have comment will be turn off. Go with that comment will be turn off option will be there. But here we can check from here. But Instagram always showing for mobile will be. Why? Because Instagram, anything will be mobile. So that is the purpose. We can using for hashtags. Using for hashtag. So Instagram, how to know about our business? The based on logo, based on the URL structure. Where it is called, they update by the our profile option. Everything will be updated by where? Profile. Profile will be see easily people can understand. So that is the purpose here. Compared to the Facebook Creator Studio, Facebook Business Shoot is a very easy video also and email also. But in this Facebook Business Shoot, videos less than minute we can upload. More than minute will be, we have one option name is called here. That option name is called IG Studio. There will be IG Studio option. Select here in this. Here one more feature is there. Here one more feature. What is the feature is called? Select Instagram, create a post. Careful to watch. This is a very important. Virtual image. Next post will be done. People will be easily post from Instagram account. Next Facebook page. Here we're getting for more audience purpose. Select WhatsApp button option. Here automatic photo will visible. Select by here. Select your new photo. Here we can visible by the two photo. Edit all. Click it. Need your patience time required. Why? Because they will show close button. You have to wait. Close it is. Done. Select here. Post it. This will be help particular user we can contact through WhatsApp also. So that is the reason Create a studio, no WhatsApp button, nothing will be there. But in a Facebook page will be separately WhatsApp button. When you click here, selecting for business shoot in Facebook page, there are number of option. Get call, get message, get WhatsApp. So how to get the leads in Facebook? WhatsApp option, call option, message option, compulsory we can use. This is a better future compared to the create a studio and the here option. Once it is done, your post is done properly. What happened? Here, page will be happen post. Any other pages are there. Here, sharing option will be there. But I can share it from the profile option. The page also will be post individual option. Click here, share to story, and share your profile feed. Profile feed compulsory important. Previous page wise is done. Next profile selected. First will be story selected and feed selected. Next page selected here. After posting, how to showing here. Not now. Click for post. So coming to this page, easily people will be know the profile person will be sharing this content. Suppose we can share from through page, like what page is there? Yeah, share from page. What the different will be through profile, through page, what is the different? If you're sharing this one, suppose through page, select it, everything, share it. I'll show the different. Previous one is the sharing with the profile option. Now this will be shared with the page option. Why? This will be page. Refresh. You can see posted, and your remaining Facebook page also will be visible. Previous post, the show will be there this option. WhatsApp button will be visible, and we can visible by the this much of content. See this one. Nothing different. If your profile wise and page wise will be nothing different. Both will be same to the post your content. So profile wise, it is visible by the profile option. Where you can visible by profile here only. So this is compulsory important. What are the content you're sharing? Compulsory you can share the content where? Into Facebook story and Facebook profile. Next one, this post is done. Post it. Content. Select from share. This will be Facebook possible, Messenger, share to Twitter also. Instagram post we can reach into the public purpose. We can set in for Twitter also. For any kind of post by using individual and LinkedIn and Instagram, three options are flexible. So in this purpose, copy the content, copy the content, and this is our view increase purpose of Instagram account. They only go to the Instagram account. People will be check your post. If anybody interested, click the profile, click the website link. Final destination is called your website link. So this is the method you can follow always. Post content on Facebook page and the Instagram account. This will be mandatory fill each and every account. So any people creator studio is one option and Facebook business studio option. But why we selecting for Facebook page? People through get message, WhatsApp, anything will be flexible only for through Facebook option. So follow these steps. Anything you can follow. Creator studio also will be acceptable and business studio also will be acceptable. To that Facebook page also will be acceptable. Business shoot time here below the show will be here link preview and feeling and message get message everything will be shown to the particular customer. See this one link. So here will be for showing link preview remove from Instagram placement. Only acceptable where only for Facebook purpose. So that is called Facebook will be showing for link will be properly visible. So this is a pattern will be followed by the into the particular Facebook and the Instagram account. Any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.